Hello guys, this is Harshi from Karim's YouTube channel. In this video, I just gonna explain you how to resize video in Premiere Pro. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. Firstly, open your clip on your timeline, and now what you're gonna do is just go to this effects control over there. If you don't have this effect controls, just go to Windows and enable this effect controls. After enabling your effect controls, now just drag this scale option to left and right. So whenever you drag this left, then the clip will be decrease. Whenever you drag to the right, then the clip will be increase. So this is how you can resize a video clip in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching.